In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite external guests to a Microsoft Teams meeting. It's a simple process, but ensuring our guests can easily join and participate is crucial for a successful meeting. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer. You'll want to search for Microsoft Teams in the search engine. Once the search results appear, click on the official Microsoft Teams link. It will direct you to the home page of Teams, where all the magic happens. Now, you'll need to log into your Microsoft Teams account. Use your credentials to access the platform. This step is essential because, without logging in, you won't be able to create meetings or send invitations. Once logged in, you'll find yourself in the Microsoft Teams interface. On the left-hand side, there's a menu bar. It contains several tabs. Click on the Calendar tab. This hub is where you manage all your meetings, both past and upcoming, and where you will arrange this new one. In the Calendar view, look towards the upper right corner and click the Plus New Meeting button. This option will pop up a new window where you can start configuring details for the meeting you are setting up. Begin by entering a title for your meeting. A clear and relevant title helps your guest understand the meeting's purpose at a glance. After naming your meeting, go to the Invite Attendees field. Here, you need to input the full email address of the external guest you're inviting. Ensuring the correct email address of your guest is entered is crucial, as this is how they'll receive their invitation. Next, you'll need to select the date and time for the meeting. Choose a suitable time where both you and your guest are available, keeping in mind any time zone differences that may exist, particularly if your guest is international. Don't forget to fill in any other necessary meeting details. This might include additional notes or instructions that your guest might find helpful. These extras ensure your meeting runs smoothly and everyone knows what to expect. Once you're satisfied and everything seems accurate, click Send. The invitation will be on its way. Your external guest will receive an email containing a link to join the meeting. It's as simple as clicking this link when the time comes, granting easy access to anyone with it. This join link is a convenient feature that allows your guest to participate without needing a Microsoft Teams account. And that's it. You have successfully invited an external guest to your Microsoft Teams meeting. With these steps, you can confidently ensure everyone has the access they need to connect seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to welcome participants from outside your organization with ease.